Hello, this is Amir. Today we are going to talk about Git alias and how to increase your productivity by adding shorter aliases for commands that we use every day. So let's get started. First of all, what are aliases? Well, aliases are like shortcuts for command. Instead of writing the full command, you can just run the short version. For example, instead of writing git checkout master, you could write git com. The cool part is that you can combine multiple commands and give them an alias. For example, you can combine git checkout master and git add all and git commit m to one command. Enough teasing, let's see how we can do it. In order to add a new alias, you should run this command: git config global alias dot your alias and the command that it should represent. If you want the alias to work only for this project, then remove the global flag. And if the command you are aliasing starts with git, add an exclamation mark in the beginning. Let's see some examples. I want to have com as the alias for git checkout master. And I only want this alias to work in this project, so I won't write the global flag. Let's do it. Git config alias dot com checkout master. Or I could write the full command and add an exclamation mark. Git config alias dot com exclamation mark git checkout master. And let's test it now. Git com. Perfect. Now we are in the master branch. Second example is to see how we can combine multiple commands in one alias. One of the things I use a lot is add all and git commit. So I want to combine those commands in an alias, something like add commit or acm. Let's do it now. Git config alias dot acm exclamation mark git add dot and git commit with m flag. Okay, let's test it. First, let's see the changed file by running git status. And now let's run our alias, git acm. Perfect. It has added everything and committed everything. Awesome. Let's practice together. I use this command a lot. Git log with the flag 1 head. This shows only the last log. I want to make an alias for it with the name last, and I want this alias to run only in my local project, not globally. How can I do it? Pause the video, try to do it, write your answer in the comment, and then play the video to see the answer. Okay, now let's see the answer. We want to add a new alias called last, and it shouldn't be a global alias. To do that, we should run this command. Git config alias dot last and then our command. And let's see if it works. Great, it works. Was your answer correct? Just a quick recap. We talked about adding alias for Git commands, we created an alias for a single command, and we also combined multiple commands and gave them an alias. And finally, if you liked what you learned, please like and subscribe. That would be a great motivation to do more videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave a comment below and I try to answer them as soon as possible. That's it. Have a wonderful day.